I wasn't born into wealth, and there's no rich uncle leaving me a fortune. Growing up, we didn't even know about flush toilets or hot showers. Our bathroom was a simple hole into the ground. If anyone understands poverty, it's me. But I am not here to say that I have all the answers or that I've made it. What I have is a journey, one filled with failed businesses, lessons learned, and a relentless search for freedom from the rat race we are all conditioned to accept. From running online print-on-demand stores to owning a struggling restaurant and even trying my hand at electrical consulting, I've experienced both the grind and the setbacks. But through research and perseverance, I've uncovered strategies that anyone, regardless of the background, can implement to build generational wealth. Now, let's be real. Success takes hard work, especially in the beginning. But if you're ready to take control of your financial future, I've got practical strategies to share with you today. Before we dive into this video, hit that subscribe button. It is free and is your first step towards financial freedom. But there is a massive caveat. Building generational wealth is no shortcut to riches. It demands intentional planning, disciplined money management, and a focus on the long term. This isn't a get-rich scheme or an overnight success story. It is about consistent effort, making wise financial choices, and staying committed to a vision that benefits not just you, but the generations that follow. If you're ready to put in the work and think beyond today, the rewards of building a lasting legacy are well worth the journey. After reading the Forbes article, here are 7 powerful strategies that anyone, regardless of the background, can implement to build generational wealth. The first strategy is invest in real estate. Real estate is the cornerstone of wealth building for a reason. It offers diverse opportunities for financial growth and security. Properties generally appreciate over time, allowing owners to build equity while benefiting from consistent income through rentals. This dual advantage of capital growth and cash flow makes real estate a powerful tool. Beyond immediate benefits, real estate provides a tangible asset that can be passed down to future generations, fostering long-term financial stability. Owners can explore commercial real estate, multi-family properties, or house flipping to diversify their portfolio and maximize returns. Real estate also provides protection against inflation, as rental income and properties values tend to rise as the economy grows. However, success in real estate demands careful planning, market research, and financial discipline. It requires understanding market trends, securing favorable financing, and effectively managing properties. Despite these challenges, the potential to create a lasting legacy makes real estate an indispensable pillar in building generational wealth. The second way to build generational wealth is by starting and growing a business. Launching and developing a successful business is one of the most impactful ways to create generational wealth. A thriving business generates consistent income. It fosters financial independence and can be passed down to future generations. This transfer provides not only financial security, but also entrepreneurial opportunities for your family, encouraging innovation and economic growth. Beyond monetary benefits, a family-owned business establishes a lasting legacy. It becomes a symbol of shared vision, values, and hard work that strengthens family bonds and contributes to long-term wealth sustainability. Owning a business allows you to build a scalable source of income that can adapt to market trends and economic conditions. It offers flexibility in diversifying revenue streams, such as introducing new products, expanding to new markets, or leveraging digital platforms for growth. Businesses that prioritize customer relationships and operational efficiency are particularly well positioned for long-term success. To ensure the continuity of generational wealth, create a succession plan to transfer ownership smoothly to heirs while instilling leadership skills and a strong work ethic in the next generation. By investing in the right business and nurturing it, you secure a source of wealth that endures and evolves with future generations. The third way to build generational wealth is investing in the stock market. The stock market offers a powerful avenue for long-term wealth creation, making it an essential component of building generational wealth. By diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and leveraging the benefits of compound interest, you can achieve steady financial growth over time. Stock market investments not only help secure a financial future, but also provide a robust foundation for future generations. Educating yourself and your family about stock market dynamics is crucial to maximizing returns. Learn to analyze market trends, assess risk, and develop a long-term investment strategy tailored to your financial goals. Focus on a mix of growth stocks, dividend-paying stocks, and index funds to balance risk and reward effectively. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Seek professional advice before you make any financial investment. With that said, passing on financial knowledge and investment management skills ensures that your family can make informed decisions, preserving and growing the wealth you've built. Ultimately, strategic stock market investments contribute to a sustainable legacy of financial empowerment. The fourth way to build generational wealth is prioritizing education. Investing in education is one of the most impactful strategies for creating and sustaining generational wealth. By prioritizing learning opportunities, you empower future generations with the tools and the knowledge needed to achieve financial success and stability. This could include funding higher education, promoting skills development, and fostering financial literacy at home. Education equips your family with the expertise to navigate complex financial landscapes and seize economic opportunities. Beyond traditional academics, teaching the principles of wealth management like budgeting, investing, and entrepreneurship can profoundly influence financial outcomes. Providing scholarships or college savings plans ensures that your descendants have access to quality education without the burden of government debt. Additionally, fostering a culture of continuous learning prepares them to adapt to evolving industries and technologies. Education is more than just an investment in knowledge. It is a cornerstone of wealth building, creating a legacy of empowered and financially literate future generations. The fifth way to build generational wealth is establishing an estate plan. Creating a comprehensive estate plan is critical for protecting and passing down your wealth effectively. This includes drafting a legally binding will, establishing trusts to safeguard assets, and designating beneficiaries for your financial accounts. An estate plan ensures your assets are distributed as per your wishes while minimizing taxes, probate delays, and legal expenses. An estate plan offers clarity and security for your family, reducing disputes and confusion after your passing. Setting up trusts such as irrevocable or revocable trusts provides control over how your wealth is used, ensuring it aligns with your long-term vision. By working with financial and legal professionals, you can develop strategies to minimize estate taxes and maximize the value of the assets transferred to your heirs. Educating your family about the importance of estate planning further ensures that future generations continue to preserve and grow the legacy you've built. The sixth way to build generational wealth is teaching financial literacy. Empowering future generations with financial literacy is as vital as leaving behind assets. Educating children and grandchildren about budgeting, saving, and investing equips them to make informed financial decisions. By fostering a deep understanding of money management, you ensure they can sustain and grow inherited wealth, Start by introducing age-appropriate lessons such as the importance of saving and responsible spending for young children. As they grow, teach concepts like compound interest, investment strategies, and the dangers of debt. Use real-life examples and tools like budgeting apps or family financial meetings to reinforce these skills. Financial literacy isn't just about practical knowledge. It cultivates a mindset of discipline and accountability. By embedding these principles early enough, you prepare your descendants to handle financial challenges and opportunities confidently, ensuring the longevity and the growth of your family wealth for generations to come. The seventh way to build generational wealth is harnessing life insurance. Life insurance is a strategic tool for families aiming to build generational wealth, especially those without significant assets to pass down. A robust life insurance policy can provide your heirs with substantial financial payout upon your passing, ensuring they have the resources to maintain financial stability and continue growing wealth. Beyond covering immediate expenses, life insurance payouts can serve as a seed money for investments, business ventures, and education opportunities for future generations. The journey to generational wealth is intentional, requiring careful planning, strategic investments, and an emphasis on financial education. With life insurance as a cornerstone, you can create a legacy that ensures financial security and opportunities for your family for generations to come. If you got value in this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Also, share in the comment section how you're planning to build generational wealth. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.